that's the reaction I wanted.
My God.
अरे यार
Give out जानबूझ के because उनको पता है कि लोग question पूछने वाले हैं. People are going to be curious. They wanted to simply play with people's curiosity.
मेरे को प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं पड़ा. Neither the first ad that went viral, neither this ad that went is getting semi-viral at the moment.
Founders, investors बोलते हैं that we are in it not for the numbers, we are in it for the bigger vision. But everybody looks at the sales at the end of the financial year. So
At the beginning of the ad, I was like, oh my 10.
10.
But now
Because
that I've,
again, you have that dopamine hit that happens.
now that I've
feels good.
actually sat and decided to like break it down and discuss it with you all. Aaj the special episode you guys already know, and just to highlight that today's guest Shivani is also a creator and actor. She's a business owner and she is also running her agency and a lot more things that we are certainly unaware about and we will get to know as we move forward. So we have a very talented group of people today, and of course myself, who is amazing human.
Shivani, hi. I'm sorry. I think last time we couldn't be a part of the same episode.
Yeah.
But Harsh and Parikshit told me all about it. It was great.
It was full of controversy.
Yeah, I know.
ऐसे ख्याली पुलाव कैसे बनाते हैं?
When's the music dropping though? I've been hearing it for the last 2 years now.
Music.
Very soon.
नशे
Very
नशे
soon.
नशे नशे
Actually,
नशे नशे
On that
नशे
note, since we must not digress, shall we begin with that first entertainment piece for the day? It's a movie, but it's also an ad. It's a movie, it's an ad, and it's not the Dream 11 one. It's a movie, it's an ad, it's an ad, it's a movie. There's a superstar, but he's not a film actor or an actress. So,
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
on that note, are you guys excited?
You
Are you guys
cannot start off with confusing everybody.
Oh, he didn't confuse, honestly. That was very cryptic of him, so I like that.
Oh, yaar.
Oh, wait, I've seen the ad. Yeah.
That's the reaction I wanted.
My God.
अरे यार.
It's all over the place. This ad. Hala for a reason.
कट माइंड ब्लोइंग फैंटास्टिक मजा आ गया सर लोग सीटियां मारेंगे बिल्कुल
सुनाई दे रहा है मुझे बहरा नहीं हूं मैं
अब हुआ ना मेरा हीरो रेडी करेक्ट सर मुझे लगा सुपर है सर मिल गया
पर संडी ये थोड़ा ज्यादा नहीं हो गया
सर ये भी देखना चला कौन रहा है सर
यार इलेक्ट्रिक साइकिल की ऐड है
सर नेक्स्ट शॉट देखो क्या होने वाला है
मतलब
क्लाइमैक्स की तैयारी कर
Too good. End में जो उन लोगों ने what they've done towards the end, that's like, how can you do that, bro? How
You
can
don't
do that?
expect that from Dhoni.
No, how did you not expect that from Sandeep Reddy Wanga?
Yeah, we expect
That's-
How did you
Reddy
not?
Wanga.
Wow.
Bhai, okay, I have so many things to say. I have so many things.
Bro,
to
this
say.
is like,
Vedanti, I saw you laughing. I saw you laughing. I want to hear what Vedanti has to say because, yeah, this is like her levels of trolling.
Loved it. I mean, the casting was great. Honestly, Dhoni looks amazing in that entry track where Ranveer comes on his bike. That scene where he's introduced for the first time. I think it was great. It was very funny, and I think it was damn interesting.
I'd have Dhoni and Wanga in every scene of the ad that I'd be playing. Every short clip, if I wanted this to go viral, they picked up the perfect people for this, in my opinion.
Very well, very well, very well made. Yeah, I was surprised because remember we were discussing that do cricketers. I'm also assuming Dhoni has a stake in the company that he is this ad, and I feel like he must have been a part of the entire process where they must have pitched the ad to him, and he's like, "हाँ करते हैं, हाँ करते हैं." He is ready to take that bold step. He's ready to do things that get spoken of on the internet. It's not like a dance. I'm so glad he wasn't dancing with the cycle. I'm so happy. Like finally somebody's creating ads that make sense. And I felt like, wow, like he checked all the boxes for me. The only problem I felt with the ad was no functional benefits really spoken of. It was more like there's an electric bike. There's an electric bike that Dhoni is riding. That's it. And he's in the last frame, he's throwing shade at a normal bike by doing, which is great.
I feel that they did not do it very, very consciously because they want people to ask questions. They want people to talk about it and they want a proper engagement. So I think this is why they would do it, not give out जानबूझ के because उनको पता है कि लोग question पूछने वाले हैं. People are going to be curious. They wanted to simply play with people's curiosity because abhi Dhoni is representing the entire brand and people are going to be like, okay, this is so cool. So the ad is working amazingly and now I want this product.
The past couple of ads, particularly be it Clear Trip, be it this, be it, he's going on a banger. He's going bangers after bangers after bangers. He went viral last year for that Bole Jo Koyal Wala Gana, which was basically a dig on a meme that was AI generated where Dhoni was singing. And then cut to it is an actual ad where he's actually singing and riding a bike while singing.
बोले जो कोयल बाहों में बोले जो कोयल
क्या बोलेगा कोयल अभी मस्त लग रहा अपना माई भाई साइकिल पे
साइकिल नहीं ई मोटर राइड है
भाई धोनी क्या कर धोनी की एड एजेंसी धोनी की मार्केटिंग एजेंसी spot on.
Absolutely.
He's everywhere now. I am assuming
Thala for a reason.
के time. However, the ad was placed since 2023. Non-stop peaks are when it went viral in the month of March last year, exactly a year ago. तब भी भाई उसके search results and everything YouTube पे भी search results बहुत high थे, अच्छे खासे high थे. Who was the first Indian cricketer who was signed on a guaranteed contract for ads like these?
Was it Sachin Tendulkar?
Yeah, and what was the amount?
That I don't know. Amount.
100 crores.
What the fuck?
In the year,
Let's go.
and that too.
अरे बेड़िया बैट का ग्रिप निकाल के ना सीधा बैट तेरे कट
Now are benefiting from that sort of a deal back then. Dhoni,
Yeah.
not an actor, not in the
He's
current,
a superstar. He's a
not in the
superstar.
exactly not in the current playing 11 either.
True. He's a legend of the game. He's a certified superstar. People will literally spend thousands to watch him play because every game could possibly be the last game.
Definitely not.
And then he comes out and delivers a banger on TV. So it's like he's everywhere, and that's why he's called Thala for a reason. It's like
The line, but definitely I'll be working hard to come back strong next year.
he's the superstar.
And the brands he's choosing also is like so thought through. And
But what Shivani is saying is public perception ये है कि EV is clean. So I
Exactly.
guess he is playing to that also. And this is their agency on record. This is the agency on record for eMotorrad, which is the company that Shivani rightly mentioned. It's one hand clap. Have you guys heard of this agency?
It's a mid-sized agency, barely about maybe possibly around less than 80 people in the group, which again, Vedanti and I and Shivani would say, yeah, that's a big agency.
And honestly, it's not like this segment doesn't have product. There are a lot of e-bikes. So for you to come out there and put your e-bike on top, and अभी brand recall value के लिए सब wait कर रहे हैं कि यार वो कौन सा e-bike है जो धोनी ने ऐड किया था.
Yeah.
Motorrad has won that race, I feel, because there are a lot of e-bikes coming out. So for me,
It's like One Hand Clap also did the Swiggy meme rewind.
क्या आपके दोस्त भी ऐसे हैं? स्विगी ग्रुप ऑर्डरिंग
Did a campaign for Jaane Tu ya Jaane Na ka anniversary, that 10-year anniversary that had happened for.
फिर से गाना गाया तो गोली मार दूंगा.
And all the actors in it.
Acha.
They created, their team actually ended up creating the playback, the Netflix playback of 2024 of all the viral hits.
I thought this over, maybe his match changing over. And what do you?
Then FRND करके एक ब्रांड था जिसमें उन लोग ने गोपी बहू को
Yeah, I know that one.
जानबूझ के धोया था और अब मैं तुझे धोऊंगी.
गोपी बहू के साथ किया था. एंड सो भाई वी वर थिंकिंग हाँ इसका नाम कहीं सुना है, इसका नाम कहीं सुना है, बट इट्स दे हैव हैड देयर स्किन इन द इंडस्ट्री सिंस
Yeah.
अ व्हाइल.
silently working there.
One Hand Clap, done a great job. Dhoni, great job. Sandeep Trendy Vanga using all the controversial statements that he did on in his movie, in his interviews, as well as in his own his personality in general.
अच्छा.
Bang on with personalities management. भाई जिसने भी concept लिखा, जिसने भी idea लिखा,
हाँ.
ऐसा multiverse create करने का try किया और actually successful हुआ.
It was perfect. Perfect. Everything. That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
No,
Are
There's
you-
the energy without the.
Are you anti? Did you like Animal as a movie?
Parishit is trying to get things out of me now.
Obviously.
Some controversial
We
statement.
need
Some
controversy.
controversial.
Sandeep Banga and no controversy. That just doesn't sound right. Feel right. Also.
I'm like, I'll sit there, I'll get entertained, I'll leave this like here, and I won't think about it again. But if I'm like, oh my god, if I have to put a lot of thought into it, then obviously the movie is problematic. So I'm
The
gonna leave.
fact
But
fact that Dhoni did this ad means
Oh, that's the
he
most
loved
very
it.
much.
Dhoni
yeah,
loved it.
absolutely.
ये बात उसने
Yeah,
तो बना लिया भाई पूरा.
एक
उसने
number.
बोला ले आओ एनिमल कर लो. He's not.
But also, I like how, I feel like it was very well timed in a way. जहाँ पे when a movie usually comes out, there's a lot of uproar against it. It's usually split into two, like people who like it, people who are totally against it. Then there are people like Shivani and me who are sort of on the fence, where we find it like an entertainer, but there are some themes of, some
Some problematic things
Yeah.
happening.
happening there. But what I'm glad about, honestly, for Dhoni is that there's enough time that passed for all of that chatter to sort of, subside, for Dhoni to not get all of that negative. Honestly, right now, nobody gives a fuck about Animal anymore, whether negative or positive.
Vedanti, do you think Parikshit could play the Bobby Deol character this entire podcast moving forward? मेरा भाई बोल नहीं सकता, मेरा भाई सुन नहीं सकता.
बहुत बोलता है.
मेरे को प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं पड़ा. Neither the first ad that went viral, neither this ad that went is getting semi-viral at the moment. I went back and searched for the ad. That way they got that impression out of me. But
Who's the audience for this?
good question.
बताया
Very
नहीं
good
ना
question,
ad में
Vedanti.
इन लोगों ने they haven't really put that
I
out.
would
there.
if you ask me on the basis of this ad alone, the target audience is mass market. There's no set age group. Obviously, it would also come my generation, our generation, because again, Dhoni was the biggest cricketer of our generation. The generation after me, for sure, because e-scooters and it is a relatively new thing that is being happening, e-scooters and EVs and things like that.
I think it
This-
can also be used as, it can also be used for people in metropolitan cities who are always kind of stuck in traffic and all, to just show that one thing, it's a sustainable means of transport and it's a very convenient means of transport. So if you don't want to be stuck in traffic and shit like that, use something like this for at least pass wali jagah jaane ke liye.
But again, the availability is a question mark altogether. And again, coming back to the point of sustainability, ad में एक भी बार बताया नहीं उसके बारे में, ना उसके बारे में कुछ बातचीत.
Because product के बारे में ही ज़्यादा बात नहीं हुई ना, all
by the way,
product के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं.
क्या ad में ये भी realize हुआ by any chance कि ये EV है? मेरे को तो स्कूटर लगा.
True.
मतलब I could see it's an EV. It was a bicycle to begin with.
True.
Bicycle ऐसे भी चला सकते.
Correct. That's the whole point. E-bikes work like that only.
No, but they haven't really specified it. And by the way, this bike that Dhoni was riding in the ad costs 60,000 rupees. So it's not cheap. And they've on the website right now, its MRP is 80 and they've cut it down to 60. So
it is very close to as much as a Splendor.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn.
As a moped also, like any.
I don't even think ये tier 1 cities के लिए भी इतना it's tier 1 maybe it is not. It is for the top 13% of the country.
अभी के लिए तो अमीरों के शौक है भाई. It's a toy.
शौकीन लोगों के लिए. Yeah, it's a toy.
It's not mass market yet. I think what they're trying to do is they're probably with ads like these, and it was founded in the year 2016, so not like a very legacy company with 25 years behind them. This will build recall, reduce the value of your product, get Gen Z to love it, and then finally you launch a product that is 15K, 18K, and that's where your market share automatically.
I have one. This was not just marketing; it was a PR stunt. PR you cannot count it. PR you cannot count it as a short-term thing. And I agree to Parikshit again that 2016 se leke it's not a legacy brand, but this ad, the first viral ad, all of this will go on, say 5 years, 6 years, 10 years down the line. That will help it create brand awareness कि मेरे मुंह पे ये आ जाए, ये brand का नाम आ जाए, and then if and when the prices of these mopeds actually become ठीक है, you know, this brand e-Motorrad will not be an unknown brand at that time.
Also, go ahead and rate it. So how would you rate it? Like,
I'm going to rate it. See, when it comes to, if I were selling the bike for awareness, I would rate it. Let's keep it at a 7. Creating sale, creating lead, 4 probably. Maybe not even 4.
Can we average it out to 5? That means your average is sort of 5.
Let's go with that.
One of the, I think, founders of and CEO of e-Motorrad said that usually marketing is for numbers, data, and all of that, but they don't care. They go with their gut. So as long as they are clear about the long-term vision and what they're getting on the table after putting all of this money with Dhoni, I think. 6.
We are Make Ads Great Again, and we will score this ad. So what is your score, Vedanti?
6. I'll go with a 6.
I'll 6. All right, fair point. Shivani?
I think I'll go with a 7.5 because one, the ad worked for me. Honestly, again, there was a lot of it kept me engaged. It also, like, I could register the name of the brand. I would cut off 3 points, 2.5 points, because again, I would have liked to know about the product in itself instead of just making it about Animal and Dhoni. So, like, I would cut off points for that. But at the same time, as a reversal, it kept me curious. Like, मैं वापस जाके research करूँगी. I would want to know more.
But would you go back and research as a marketer or as a consumer?
As a consumer. Okay. As a consumer. As a marketer, so obviously I will. But it would make me, as a consumer, research about the brand. I'm like, okay, Dhoni associated hai, it gives the brand credibility.
I feel, now that I think of it, guys, I feel like this ad did more good to the Animal franchisee than it did to the...
Damn, that's a great point.
That's a great point.
That's a great point.
There's a next animal park coming up, so I feel like Vanga got a lot out of this than e-Motorrad did.
Yeah. So that's what it was always about. It's like they just wanted to bring a product link in to kind of hire Dhoni in a way that, yaar, mere liye karte. give me a good, give me good PR.
Yeah.
So it was like that. But at the end of the day, it still made me think about the product. I enjoyed the advertisement. It kept me hooked. It put me in a place of curiosity about the product. And of course, like then there are other entertainment factors, but I would give it a 7.5.
Yeah, after hearing your scores, and in the beginning of the ad, I was like, oh my 10. But now
Because
that
again, you have that dopamine hit that happens.
Now that I've actually sat and decided to like break it down and discuss it with you all, I see some faults. And the last point that you made, that it seemed like more like an animal ka promotion and the whole animal park that's coming out.
Yeah.
I really agreed with Shivani's point that there was a certain curiosity to check, bhai, brand kaun sa tha? What are they really doing? So, on keeping all those factors in mind, I feel like the one reason why I'm going to rate it highly is because I don't know any other e-motorbike brand as such. There are Heroes and Vidas and all these of the world. They are more like scooters and Vespas, but this one is a slightly different product. I'm gonna go ahead with an 8. The reason why I'm cutting 2 marks is because I don't know anything about the product, anything about the functional aspects, but I'm looking forward to this brand to become what I feel like they are trying to push for. A Gen Z owned moped that will be available.
The brand
on the
has a lot of
streets
potential.
everywhere.
Dhoni would be more associated with the brand rather than the product being associated with the brand. Do you agree? See, this is a big dilemma that comes by whenever you're doing such PR activities and where the product is not the highlight.
Yeah, because
Like-
the movie is bigger than the brand, the actor, superstar is bigger than the brand. So brand got lost. It's that animal ad जो धोनी ने किया. We don't know about the product. Great point.
The
Great
product
point.
मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं है product क्या है. Again, features बस वो lock का feature दिखा के खत्म किया. Maybe see, here's the point again. Maybe now when I rewatch this ad, maybe I'm gonna rewatch the ad one more time. तब जाके I will come back and maybe concentrate more on the product and what they are trying to showcase versus Dhoni and Wanga and the references. I'm not gonna consider Dhoni as a bubble. Please don't hate on as an influencer. Please don't hate on me. Exactly, influencers के content में वही problem हो रहा है जो मैं notice करता हूँ कि product इतना highlight नहीं होता है, वो sale end up नहीं होता है. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि ये ad या कोयल जो ये first viral ad कभी भी ROI generate कर पाएगा. Awareness ही होगा. Again, मैंने वो ad तभी देखा था, तब का ad का मेरे को ब्रांड नेम मालूम ही नहीं था. ये वेदांती, एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन आई फिगर्ड आउट दैट वो इट वाज द सेम ब्रांड that did it.
It honestly depends on how long term are these people looking at playing, right? It depends on that. That's number one. Because when you say long term gains, will something like this work? Yes, if you're looking at creating like a legacy brand. Because if you're trying to enter a market like this where there are already biggies out there, and I wouldn't call this a new category, but honestly getting people to buy something like an e-bike for their shorter commutes, that's sort of creating a need for the product to begin with. So if you're playing long term, वैसे something like this can help, but I don't know, like today blowing up itna money and kitna bhi founders, investors बोल दे that we are in it not for the numbers, we're in it for the bigger vision, but everybody looks at the sales at the end of the financial year. So
a great episode, a great show. I have really high respect for everybody who is here today to discuss all these important topics. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you, Harsh. Thank you, Vedanti. A great episode comes to an end. I'm really looking forward to going down the rabbit hole of discussing every single entertainment ad piece in this world. And on that note, thank you very much. Please watch our episode, like, share, subscribe, follow Shivani, follow Harsh, follow Vedanti, follow us everywhere. We will be out with more content very soon.
Follow Bhanja Music as well, guys.
And follow Bhanja Music. Hopefully, I'm coming.
पीछे से आवाजें आती चार्ली